In this video, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-factor ng polynomials using the grouping method. So, let's begin. Say we have x cubed minus 3x squared minus 16x plus 48. I-factor natin itong polynomial na to using the grouping method. Kaya nga grouping method kasi mag-group tayo ng terms. I-group natin tong first two terms and the last two terms. And bawat group, kukunin natin yung GCF or yung common monomial factor. For the first group, the common monomial factor is x squared. The GCF of x cubed and 3x squared is x squared. So labas natin. X cubed divided by x squared is x. And then negative 3x squared divided by x squared is negative 3. Tapos sa pangalawang group, take out natin yung negative 16. And then negative 16x divided by negative 16 is x. 48 divided by negative 16 is negative 3. And ito yung goal natin. Yung meron tayong ma-produce na common factor. Kung wala, ulitin nyo. I-rearrange niyo yung mga terms dito. Kumbaga, i-rearrange nyo yung grouping. Kasi kung wala kayong ma-produce na common factor, well, walang factoring. But fortunately, in our solution right now, meron tayong common factor na x minus 3. Therefore, the factored form is x squared minus 16 and then times the common factor x minus 3. Okay na ba yan? Hindi pa tapos yan. Kasi itong x squared minus 16, we can rewrite that as x squared minus 16 is 4 squared. So meron tayong difference of 2 squares. And alam nyo naman yung formula ng difference of 2 squares. The factored form is x plus 4 times x minus 4 and then times x minus 3. This is the factored form. Next example. I-factor natin yung 15mx plus 10nx minus 6my minus 4ny. Again, we will use the grouping method. I-group natin yung first two terms and the last two terms. Sa first group, ang GCF ng 15mx and ng 10nx is 5x. So, labas natin 5x and then times, mag-divide tayo. 15mx divided by 5x. 15 divided by 5 is 3. M, tapos yung x cancel out na yan. Okay? Tapos, plus right here. 10nx divided by 5x. Cancel out natin yung x ulit. Tapos, 10 divided by 5 is 2. So, 2n. Sa pangalawang group naman, ilabas natin si negative 2y. Mag-divide tayo. Negative 6my divided by negative 2y. So, yung y cancel out na yan. And negative 6 divided by negative 2 is positive 3. So, 3m. Next, negative 4ny divided by negative 2y. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 is positive 2. And then yung y cancel out na yan. Tapos si n. 2n. And once again, meron tayong common factor na 3m plus 2n. Which means ang factored form ay 5x minus 2y times the common factor 3m plus 2n. Next, let us factor 3n cubed plus 2n squared minus 3n minus 2. Okay, i-group natin yung first two terms and the last two terms. Sa unang group, ang GCF ng 3n cubed and 2n squared is n squared. Let's divide. 3n cubed divided by n squared is 3n. 2n squared divided by n squared is 2. Sa pangalawang group, ilabas natin si negative 1. So may iwan dito na 3n plus 2. And as we can see, meron tayong common factor na 3n plus 2. Ang factored form is n squared minus 1. Ito, n squared minus 1. Mayroon yung 1 dito. Times the common factor 3n plus 2. Tapos na ba yan? Hindi pa. Because n squared minus 1 is difference of two squares. So may mapipiga pa tayo. Kaya pang i-factor. And therefore, the factored form of difference of two squares, n plus 1 times n minus 1. And then times 3n plus 2. This is the factored form. Next, let us factor a to the fourth power b to the fourth plus 3a to the fifth b to the fifth and then plus 2a squared b squared plus 6a cubed b cubed. Okay, so before tayo mag-factor by grouping, ilabas muna natin yung common factor ng lahat ng terms na yan. And the GCF of all those terms is a squared b squared. So labas natin si a squared b squared. A squared b squared. And then mag-divide tayo. A to the fourth, b to the fourth divided by a squared b squared is a squared b squared. And then plus 3a to the fifth, b to the fifth divided by a squared b squared is 3a cubed b cubed. And then 2a squared b squared divided by a squared b squared is 2. And then plus 6a cubed b cubed divided by a squared b squared is 6ab. Ngayon, mag-factor by grouping ulit tayo. So let's group these first two terms and the last two terms. Okay? And ganun pa rin. Ilalabas natin yung GCF bawat group. So a squared b squared and then for the first group, ilabas natin si a squared b squared. Let's divide. A squared b squared divided by a squared b squared, that's 1. And then plus 3a cubed b cubed divided by a squared b squared is 3ab. Ngayon, sa pangalawang group, ilabas natin si positive 2. So, take out 2 and then let's divide. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then plus 6ab divided by 2 is 3ab. And once again, meron tayong na-produce na common factor. So, isulat natin yung completed factored form. A squared b squared and then times a squared b squared plus 2 times the common factor 1 plus 3ab. This is now the completed factored form. Let's try one more. I-factor natin yung x to the fourth and then minus 3x cubed plus 8x minus 24. For this one, i-group natin yung first two terms saka yung last two terms. Okay? Para sa first group, labas natin si x cubed. X to the fourth divided by x cubed is x. Negative 3x cubed divided by x cubed is negative 3. For the second group, let's take out positive 8. 8x divided by 8 is x. And negative 24 divided by 8 is negative 3. May na-produce na naman tayo na common factor, x minus 3. Okay? Therefore, the factors form is x cubed plus 8 times x minus 3. Ngayon, we have a sum of 2 cubes. Let's write x cubed plus 2 cubed times x minus 3. The formula for the sum of 2 cubes is a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. A is x, b is 2. So, sundan lang natin yung pattern ng factored form na to. A plus b, so x plus 2 times a squared right here, so x squared. And then minus a times b, x times 2 is 2x. Plus b squared, b is 2, 2 squared is 4. So, ito na yung factored form.